How to add Eventbrite link to Instagram. Let me help you share an Eventbrite link on Instagram. Since Instagram doesn't allow clickable links in regular posts, here's how to add it effectively. For Instagram stories, open your Eventbrite event page. Copy the event URL. Create a new Instagram story. Click the link sticker icon. Paste your Eventbrite URL. Position the link sticker on your story. In your Instagram bio. Go to your Instagram profile. Click Edit Profile. Paste your Eventbrite link in the website. Tell followers to click link in bio to access the event. You can also create a custom shortened URL for better tracking. That's it. Thanks for watching.